Lecture 2, The Art of Crafting Effective Prompts. Welcome to the second lecture of our journey into the world of Midjourney. In this lecture, we'll explore the art of crafting effective prompts that guide the AI to create stunning images that closely match your vision. Remember, the key to a successful Midjourney experience lies in the quality and detail of your text prompt. 2.1. The 5 elements of an effective prompt. An effective prompt should contain 5 key elements: subject, composition, visual style, technical aspects, and emotion. Let's dive into each element and learn how they contribute to a powerful prompt. Subject. Clearly define the main subject of your image. This can be a person, an object, an animal, or a scene. Be specific and descriptive to help the AI understand what you want to see in the final image. Example: a majestic lion standing on a rock in the African savanna. Composition. Describe how the elements in your image should be arranged. This includes the placement of your subject, any background elements, and the overall balance of the image. Consider how the various components interact with each other and what focal points you want the viewer's eye to be drawn to. Example: the lion is standing proudly on a large rock, with the vast savanna stretching out behind it. A group of acacia trees can be seen in the distance, framing the scene. Visual style. Specify the artistic style or mood you want the AI to create in the image. This can be anything from realistic to abstract, cinematic to painterly. Feel free to reference artistic styles, color palettes, or even specific artists that inspire you. Example: the image should have a golden hour glow with warm, rich colors and a soft, dreamy atmosphere reminiscent of a wildlife painting. Technical aspects. Include any specific camera settings, equipment, or post-processing techniques that you want the AI to consider when generating the image. This helps ensure that the final image meets any technical requirements you may have. Example: the image should be captured with a 200mm lens at f2.8, with a shallow depth of field that blurs the background, drawing attention to the lion. The ISO should be 100 and the shutter speed 1/500 sec. Emotion. Convey the emotional impact you want your image to have on the viewer. This can be achieved through the subject's expression, the lighting, or the overall mood of the scene. Example: the lion's gaze should be intense and focused, evoking a sense of strength and determination, while the warm colors and soft atmosphere create a feeling of awe and tranquility. 2.2. Crafting your own effective prompt. Now that we've covered the 5 elements of an effective prompt, let's put them all together to create a complete and powerful prompt. A majestic lion standing on a large rock in the African savanna, with the vast landscape stretching out behind it, and a group of acacia trees in the distance. The image should have a golden hour glow, with warm, rich colors and a soft, dreamy atmosphere reminiscent of a wildlife painting. The lion's gaze should be intense and focused, evoking a sense of strength and determination. Capture the image with a 200mm lens at f2.8, with a shallow depth of field that blurs the background, an ISO of 100, and a shutter speed of 1/500 sec. In this lecture, we've learned the art of crafting effective prompts that help guide the AI to create stunning images. By incorporating the 5 elements of an effective prompt: subject, composition, visual style, technical aspects, and emotion, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Midjourney. 2.3 Tips for fine-tuning your prompts. As you become more comfortable with crafting effective prompts, keep these tips in mind to further refine your skills. Be specific. The more specific you are in your prompt, the better the AI will understand your vision. Use descriptive language and provide as much detail as possible to guide the AI. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different combinations of subject matter, composition, style, and techniques. Experimenting with different prompts helps you discover what works best for your desired outcome. Iterate. If your first attempt doesn't produce the exact result you're looking for, don't give up. Tweak your prompt and try again. It may take a few attempts to fine-tune the text to achieve the image you have in mind. Learn from examples. Study the prompts provided in the course and other examples you come across. Analyze how they use the 5 elements of an effective prompt and apply those techniques to your own prompts. Practice. Just like any other skill, crafting effective prompts takes practice. The more prompts you create, the better you'll become at communicating your vision to the AI.